Okay, so let's take a moment to figure out what were some just big ideas, things we need to remember about this lesson before we take the exit ticket. We already knew how to perform transformations, so there's not a lot of new information, but I want to make sure that I remind myself that the order of the transformations matters. The order of the transformations matters. You can't just switch the order and expect the answer to be the same. Also, I'm going to remind myself, because there were a lot of different rotations, that 180-degree rotations X and Y values become opposite. And then for 90 and 270-degree rotations, X and Y values actually switch. That's just something I want to keep fresh in my mind so I don't have to go looking in different lessons for it. So these are really the three key facts. Something else. I'm going to type it over or write it over here. I'm going to pick a different color. I've been using too much of that. Make this a little star. That preserved, which means the same size. It's getting sloppier. Shape, area, angles, side length. These all stay the same. They're not going to change no matter how many times I transform my shape. I can reflect it, translate it, rotate it a million times. These are all going to stay the same. Okay? The location is probably going to change. The orientation probably going to change. But these have to stay the same. Definitely a big idea. Don't skip that one. Write it down. Now, the next slide is for you to show your work for your exit ticket.